Balaji and I am from MITS. My department is CSC. So coming to the workshop, this is so good experience to us. We used to work on Arduino previously, but this one gives a great experience about Arduino, and the teaching is very nice, and faculty is friendly towards students.
Myself, Ashway, I am from SU College of Science, SU University. I have participated in the workshop called 2 days hands-on workshop on Arduino program, and it is a bit learning and I had great learning about the Arduino programs and interfacing about the motors and LCDs.
Good evening everyone, I am Pooja, my second year BTech in MITS, and I attend today workshop conducted by Takeoff Education. It is very interesting and good.
Good evening everyone, my name is Nimisha. I participated in workshop by Takeoff. I enjoyed very well and I got some knowledge from the workshop.
Hi, I am Sarita, pursuing BTech second year EC in the Department of EC in MITS Malanpalli. I attended a workshop conducted by Takeoff Education, and the workshop is really excellent. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Sandhya from MITS pursuing second year BTech. I attended to the workshop conducted by Takeoff Education Group. I worked with Arduino. It was a great experience to be here and learn something new, and it was good.
My name is Padma, I am from College. I participated in workshop by conducting Takeoff. It is very good. We are learning something new. It is very interesting.
Hi, my name is Ramya and I am studying second year in MITS, and today I am in SUSB University and I am here to take part in the workshop conducted by Takeoff Education, and it is very great to be here to participate in this workshop.
My name is Ramya, studying second BTech in MITS. I participated in the workshop conducted by Takeoff Education. The workshop is very useful and it's quite interesting.
Hi, I am Sushmita. I am from SPMV. I have great experience with Takeoff. We learned a little more by this embedded systems, and we are expecting much more workshops from Takeoff. And thank you.
Hi, my name is Roshni. I am from SRES College and I am from ECE branch. We attended a Takeoff workshop. It's a very good workshop and I have learned many things.
Hi, I am Anuja. I am from SRES College. I am attending workshop in Takeoff. It is very good.
Hi, I am Shravani. I am BTech third year ECE from Tirupati College, and I attended the workshop. It's very helpful to my future, and I'm gaining more knowledge from the workshop, and I'm going to Takeoff. Hi, my name is Harita. I am from SRET College, and today we attended the workshop named as Arduino, conducted by Takeoff. It is a very practical workshop because it will help to do our own projects also. It will help we hope that it will help our future also. And thank you Takeoff for conducting this type of workshop and encouraging us.
Myself Shabana Begum and I am from SU University studying MS in the second year. I am so happy to attend the workshop which is conducted in our university. Takeoff program is a good program and we had good practical experience compared to theory. I look forward to attend more programs from this company. Thank you.
Myself Rana again. I am a second MSc in SU University. The Takeoff company అనేది ప్రాక్టికల్గా బాగా ఉంది. ఇలాంటి వేలో కండక్ట్ చేయాలని
మా ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది ప్రాక్టికల్గా, దానికి దీనికి రిలేషన్ ఏంటి, కొంచెం చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది ప్రాక్టికల్గా తెలుసుకున్నాం.
All the best to Takeoff.
All the best Takeoff.
All the best Takeoff.
All the best Takeoff.
All the best, Takeoff.
All the best Takeoff.
For any queries, contact 903033 433 or 087722 61612. Or you can visit our website www.takeoffgroup.in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.